Hi, I'm Beatriz Gouveia, and today I'd like to present about a turfgrass multi-species study that we have performed. Multi-species study for turf quality in the southeastern United States, which is part of the SCRI projects. Screening genotypes in multi-location trials are really useful in a breeding program for selecting superior genotypes for specific locations and across locations. So the objective of this study was to assess the performance of the new breeding lines of Bermuda grass, Santa Agustina grass, Seashore paspalo, and Zoysia grass from these 5 breeding programs across the southeastern United States. We used the data from the first round of the SCRI projects, where for each species, 3 nurseries were evaluated from 2011 to 2014, and these nurseries were evaluated in 8 locations across the southeastern United States, corresponding to research facilities from these 5 universities. More than 1,600 breeding lines were evaluated, considering all 4 species and all different sources. In the histogram, you can see the number of breeding lines in each phenotypic group, and we could observe a higher performance variation for Santa Agustina grass and in Zoysia grass, and the breeding lines that outperformed the checks were observed for most of nurseries, especially for Santa Agustina grass. In the principal component analysis, in the axis X is the principal component 1, which is associated with the genotypes, and in the axis Y is the principal component 2, which is associated with the genotype by environment interaction. In the vectors are the locations, and the breeding lines performed better in the locations where these breeding lines were placed near to it. So we observed breeding lines that showed superior performance for locations where they are not developed. These results are really important because this showed that screening genotypes in multi-locations trials in early stages of the breeding process can be useful in identifying breeding lines with wider adaptation. And these results define strategies for screening breeding lines in multi-location trials, supporting the development of turfgrass cultivar adapted to the southeastern United States. If you have any questions, please email me, and thank you for accessing this video.